All right, let's talk about this resume. This resume is on my newsletter, which you should be signed up for. So the newsletter link is below in the comment section. So you should be signed up because it's free. That's what it is. It's free. And it has a lot of great content. All right, so again, you can't beat free. Notice on this fantastic entry-level data analyst resume, I'm doing some things that are very specific, right? It may look like this resume is just thrown together. It's not. Notice what I've done with the skills, right? Power BI, Fabric, SQL Transact, right? And then SQL Server. So what have I done? I've listed the interface tool at the top, that thing you're going to be working with most of the time. Notice all this is also the, I'm going to use a ticker, MSFT, Microsoft ecosystem. We'll just put eco for here, right? These are all part of the Microsoft ecosystem. So Power BI, the interface. Fabric is the Azure cloud, Azure. Notice I didn't put Azure. Why? Because I'm specific about the data portion of Azure, the new one, right? So the company's going to know, or the hiring manager is going to know, that I've studied Fabric. SQL Transact, right? There are lots of flavors of SQL out there. If you just put SQL, how's the company going to know it's not PLSQL, or it's not SnowSQL, or it's not something else? This is Microsoft SQL, Transact SQL. That's the flavor of SQL you're going to need to know. Notice I put the relational database. Again, this is Microsoft's relational database, right? You're going to work within the Microsoft ecosystem. You're going to have to know SQL Server. You're going to have to know a lot about it. So I was very cognizant about how I laid the skills out and about how I authored the skills, right? The same thing down here for certifications. Number one, I put certifications, and then I used the word certifications, and I didn't put some dumbass thing like Coursera or edX, which don't offer any valid certifications. So immediately, the hiring manager knows what I'm talking about. They know, number one, guess what? MSFT Eco. It's part of the Microsoft ecosystem. Number two, they know this is for the data analyst. Number three, I've listed the different number certifications. So they know that I've taken the certifications, I've passed it, and I know what they are. I didn't list anything else. I didn't make up anything down here. All right? Yes, this is a sparse resume. It is a sparse resume that is loaded with keywords to help you get a job. So this is my new newsletter. You come here, and you put your email in here, right? Your email goes here. Thank you. Appreciate that. And go read that full post about the resume and a few others. And I will have another one coming out soon, either Monday or Tuesday. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Keep learning.